Hi, this is Linda at Therapy on YouTube, and we combine psychotherapy and Ayurveda together to bring a really potent process for people who want to work with their mind, their emotions, their spirit and their physical health. And we call it psychoveda. And what I briefly want to talk today to you about is that sense that many clients are coming to me with this low-lying level of quiet depression, and clients don't really want to call it depression because they have some other idea, and society sees depression as something that is very wrong, and it makes us think about being mentally ill. So they come saying things like they feel that something's missing in their lives, that there's something lost, that they have no motivation. And if this is you, if this is how you feel, that you go about your daily life feeling like there's nothing available to you anymore, that underlying all the things that you have in your car, your clothes, a wife or a husband, a family, but underlying all of those things that we have in our lives is this low level, quiet, but building, dark sense of loneliness. And I was talking to a client yesterday who had been out for a walk in the park at my suggestion, getting back to nature and having a walk somewhere, and she described standing in the middle of the field in the park and just feeling this deep sense of sadness deep within. And I wonder if that's what you're feeling right now, this deep sense of sadness or loneliness. And what I would invite you to do is to do what my client did yesterday, which is go somewhere on your own quietly. And I know this can feel hard because you already can be feeling lonely and you already may be alone, but finding somewhere to just be, so in a park by some trees, and just standing or sitting quietly and breathing in to that deep sense of dark nothingness that seems to be around many of us at the moment. And it's not a surprise, is it, with the climate as it is, the economy as it is. But if we can find a place just to be quiet, just for 5 or 10 minutes, and focus on what that deep missing piece is that's within us, it can help us to release some of the pain. And Deepak Chopra talks about finding the gap between the spaces when we're still. And if you can do that for a couple of days, moving into weeks, I can assure you that sense of deep darkness that's within will become lighter, because ultimately deep within you're divine, healthy, beautiful human beings. So I hope that you'll come back and listen to more. I'm going to do therapy at YouTube most days, and please leave some comments about anything that you're interested to learn about. I'm Linda from the Creating Aim and the Ayurveda Clinic, and more importantly from Therapy at YouTube, and bringing to you some components of psychoveda that I use with my clients all the time. Take care, and I hope that you've benefited. Thank you for listening.